Hey there, so I'm going to make a quick video showing how to simplify fractions. So the first thing we want to do is ask ourselves, okay, how can I get this fraction in lowest possible terms? So we're going to look at the first problem. I have 2 over 8. So I need to ask what number can go into both the numerator and the denominator. So since both 2 and 8 are even, I automatically know that I can divide both numbers by 2. So I'm going to divide the numerator by 2, and I'm going to divide the denominator also by 2. So 2 divided by 2 is going to give me 1 whole. It goes in 1 whole time. All right, we have 8 divided by 2, which is going to give me 4. So my answer here would be 1/4 in simplest terms. All right, the next one, we're going to go ahead and move on to 4 over 10. Once again, I'm asking myself, what number can go into both evenly? It has to go in the top and it has to go into the bottom. So since, once again, both of these numbers are even, I can try the number 2 because 2 can go into any even number. So let's try it. 4 divided by 2. And 10 divided by 2. So 4 divided by 2 is going to give me 2. 10 divided by 2 is going to give me, in the denominator, 5. So 2/5 would be the fraction in the lowest terms. All right, let's do 2 more, okay? All right, we're going to do 3/6. So I need to ask myself, what number can go into both the numerator and the denominator? This time I do not have both even numbers because 3 is an odd number, so I cannot necessarily divide by 2. I have to think of another factor that can go into both 3 and 6. Well, there's only a few factors that can go into 3, 1 and itself. So let's go ahead and divide it by itself, which would be 3. And I also, what I do to the top, have to do the bottom. If I divide by 3 here, I'm going to divide by 3 here. So 6 divided by 3 is, or 3 divided by 3, excuse me, is going to give me 1. And 6 divided by 3 is going to give me 2. So my lowest possible terms would be 1/2 if I reduce 3/6. All right, last one that we're going to do, 4 over 12. All right, both of these are even numbers, but there's a larger factor that can go into both numbers rather than 2. So I need to ask myself, what's the biggest possible number that can still go into 4 and 12 evenly? Okay, 2 could work, but I want a bigger number, so let's divide both by 4, because 4 can go into 4 one time, and 4 can go into 12 evenly 3 times. So my reduced fraction here would be 1/3. So we're really just asking ourselves, what is the same number that can go into the numerator and denominator evenly? And we're dividing by that number.